Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIBA update for Wednesday 29 June, and the story still comes down, and we talked about yesterday's technical target out of a head and shoulder, and the technical target is met. So we're going to talk about what's happening next. So left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder came down, broke it, went for the retest, got rejected, and boom. Okay, so the technical target is met, and the technical target was all the way from here to here, and that actually takes you all the way down to 991, and that was in yesterday's video. So perfectly played out. Now the thing is, we are on the verge of actually breaking the 960 level. Okay, so this was a stop loss that is meant to be it's not actually meant to be taken away, because if you try to take 960, then you're looking for SHIB to basically drop furthermore to the downside, and this could be the end of the pump to the upside, and the technical target, which was 1479, is not going to be met. I did actually make a lengthy video update on how Bitcoin can break the right shoulder. So you can see in here, if I actually bring Bitcoin now, you do have some sort of an inverse head and shoulder, but the right shoulder is about to get broken, and that's the problem here. Is this Bitcoin? Yeah, it is Bitcoin actually. So let's talk about this one. So you can already see this is your right shoulder, right? This was your left shoulder, the head, and you're actually now on the verge of breaking the right shoulder. If you do break the right shoulder, watch the detailed analysis to understand why Bitcoin is going to go down, and it's going to affect SHIB as well. So all the bullish patterns are actually getting invalidated, and SHIB as well is going to get into the party of invalidation of a bullish pattern. Now, what's the next technical target probably that we can actually talk about is, you know, SHIB can actually make a huge retracement to the downside. So what I'm going to do is remove all the drawings, and we can talk about a reversal wave for SHIB. Okay, so if this was the end of the pump towards the upside, so how low are you going to go? We take the top to the bottom right there, and this takes you all the way down. Number one, you have to come to retrace to this golden ratio, which is going to be the 874. And if you take down the 874, then put a tick here, and you're looking for SHIB to basically come down to the 514. And this is going to be the next level that I see as a big support moving forward. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.